Hi there. This is the n sound, as in the words and, in, and not. This is a sound from the single consonants group. The n sound is called the alveolar nasal, which means that you put your tongue against the ridge behind your top teeth and the air comes out of your nose. It's made through the nose rather than the mouth, and it's voiced, which means that you use your vocal cords to produce the sound. It's defined by the position of your tongue, and it's made with the flow of air through the mouth completely blocked and diverted through the nose. To produce the n sound, put your tongue against the ridge behind your top teeth so that your mouth is completely blocked, and then voice out through the nose. The n sound is spelled with the letter N, or sometimes with a double N, as in the word beginning. Here are some words that start with n. No, now, need, and number. Here are some words with the n sound in the middle. Many, into, find, and another. And here are some words with the n sound at the end. Can, between, woman, and own. To see the pronunciation, explanation and examples for another sound, click on its symbol. To learn about the groups of sounds, vowels, diphthongs, single consonants or consonant pairs, click on the links to the left. And to hear just the pronunciation of an individual symbol, check out our interactive phonetic chart video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful. You can also find us on Twitter, Facebook and Skype. And if you've got any questions or comments or would like to arrange an online class, please do get in touch.